Motu, today we'll fill the whole bucket with fish. Fish curry loading! Yes! If we catch a big fish, first selfie, then curry. Hey Motu, where are all our fish? Oh! Look there! The cat!
Hey! Stealing like this is not good!
It must be hungry, bro. Come here, cat. Sit with us.
No stealing, only friendship. Come, we'll share the fish with you too.
Best friends forever, eh, Pam?
Yay, friends forever.
And now, fish! Like, share, and subscribe for more Chotu Motu AI channel.